Department of Environmental Engineering. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the experiment about the absorptions of methylene blue dye by using the activated carbon adsorbent. This is Liang from SMJK Peiyuan and this is Neo from SMK Idrisha. Today, there will be the assistance of this experiment. In this experiment, we started with the preparations of the synthetic methylene blue dye solution.
In order to make 100 ppm of the methylene blue dye solution, 10 ml of the 500 ppm methylene blue stock solution were extracted. The extracted 10 ml of the methylene blue dye solution was added into a 50 ml volumetric flask. Then, distilled water was added into the volumetric flask until the graduation mark. The volumetric flask is stopped and shake gently to obtain a homogeneous solution.
In this experiment, the effect of amount of adsorbent on the methylene blue dye solution will be tested. The first beaker served as the control will be added no adsorbent and the second beaker will be the 10 mg of activated carbon adsorbent, followed by the 50 mg, 100 mg and 150 mg of activated carbon.
Subsequently, the varying mass of the adsorbent will be added to the respective beaker. The mixture will mix homogeneously to make sure all the adsorbents is in contact with the methylene blue dye solution.
After the absorptions of the methylene blue dye by using the activated carbon, now they are going to filter out the activated carbon to show that the decolorization of the methylene blue. You can see that different amount of the adsorbent added to the methylene blue dye, the absorption rate will be different. From the 10 mg per liter, the absorption rate is very low. As the increasing of the adsorbent amount, the absorption rate will increase.
When the activated carbon is added to the methylene blue dye solutions, the dye molecule will adsorb on the porous activated carbon. This makes the blue color solution being decolorized.
To further verify the color of the methylene blue has successfully adsorbed on the activated carbon, now I'm going to use the calorimeter to further verify the result.
First, I will be using the distilled water as the blank solution to zero the value. Then I will be using the control methylene blue dye solution to test the initial concentration of the methylene blue solution. This is the initial value of the methylene blue dye without adding any adsorbent. By adding 10 mg of the adsorbent, the dye solution successfully adsorbed on the surface of the activated carbon. For the 150 mg of the adsorbent, the results show that no methylene blue dye left in the solution.
The powdered activated carbon has been widely applied in water and wastewater treatment to remove pollutants such as the chlorines and color residues due to its absorption capability. More technologies to deal with different kinds of sources of pollutants, including air pollutants, soil pollutants, and etc. to be discovered in environmental engineering courses. Join us and together we make our environment a better place to stay. Thank you.